Formatting features of MS Word 2019. Microsoft Word provides variety of formatting options that allow you to customize the appearance of your document. Let us learn some of the commonly used formatting features of Word. Lesson highlights. Formatting text in Word. Applying borders. Applying bullets and numbering. Format Painter tool. Formatting text in Word. When you change the appearance of document, it is known as formatting. It includes changing the color and writing style of the text, applying borders and shading to the document, adding bullets and numbering, and many more. Formatting makes the text look attractive. Smart Signal. Most of the formatting tools are present on the Home tab on the ribbon. Changing font and font size. There are some characters of different sizes and designs available in Word. You can use them for typing text in document. These characters are known as font. In Word 2019, the default font face is Calibri with 11-point size. To change the font face and/or size of your text, follow the given steps. Choosing font. Step 1. Select the desired text. Step 2. Click on the arrow next to the font box in the font group on the Home tab. A drop-down list appears. Step 3. Select the desired font from the list. Changing the font size. Step 4. Click on the arrow next to the font size box and select the desired size for the text. Applying bold, italic and underline. Bold, italic, and underline are used to highlight some important text or heading. Bold. It makes the selected text darker from the rest of the text. Italic. It slants the selected text slightly to the right. Underline. It draws a line under the selected text. All these buttons are present in the font group on the Home tab. Font group. Bold button. Italic button. Underline button. Font color button. To apply these effects, select the desired text and click on the desired button. Applying bold, italic and underline effect. Changing the font color. When you type some text in a Word document, it appears in black color. When you type some text in a Word document, it appears in black color. By default, to change the color of the text, follow the given steps. Changing the font color. Step 1. Select the text on which you want to apply a color. Step 2. Click the down arrow on the font color button in the font group. A color palette appears. Step 3. Choose the desired color from the color palette. Hands-on time. Interdisciplinary, EVS. Open Word 2019 and write few lines about planet Earth. Now, apply different formatting styles to the text to make it look more attractive. Sample is shown below. Earth is the third planet from the Sun in our solar system. Earth is the third planet from the Sun in our solar system. It is our home and the only planet known to support life. The only planet known to support life. Earth is made up of land and water. It is often referred to as the blue planet because it has a lot of water. Font, Georgia. Font size, 12. Font color, as per shown in the sample. Changing text alignment. Text alignment is the placement of the text with respect to the left and right margins, gray area around the document area. Left and right margins. Left margin. Right margins. In Word, there are 4 options to align the text. These are left, right, center and justify. All these alignment options are present in the paragraph group. Different alignment options. Center. Align right. Align left. Justify. By default, the text is left aligned. To change the alignment of the text, select the text and click the desired alignment button in the paragraph group. Changing alignment. Click the desired alignment button from here. Left. Center. Right. Justified. Changing text case. The change case feature is used to change the case of the text in document without retyping the whole text again. There are 5 types of case options as shown in the figure. Change case options. Converts the text to lowercase. Capitalizes each word in sentence. capitalizes the first letter of the sentence selected, converts the text to uppercase, reverses the case of every letter. To change the text case, click the Change Case button in the font group and then select the desired option from the drop-down list that appears. Hands-on time. Interdisciplinary, English. Look at the following sentences and write U for uppercase, L for lowercase, and S for sentence case in the circle provided. Flowers are beautiful. Flowers are beautiful. Flowers are beautiful. Applying bullets and numbering. You can use bullets and numbering to create organized and visually appealing lists in your Word document. A bulleted list is used to present items in no particular order. The bulleted items are marked with bullet point or symbol. A numbered list is used when there is a specific sequence or order to the item. Each item is assigned a number to indicate its position in the sequence. To add bullets or numbers to existing set of items, follow the given steps. Applying bullets. Step 1. Select the desired list of items or lines of text. Step 2. On the Home tab, click the down arrow next to the Bullets button in the paragraph group and select the desired bullet style to create a bulleted list. Applying numbering. Step 2b. On the Home tab, click the down arrow next to the numbering button in the paragraph group and select the desired numbering style to create a numbered list. Hands-on time. Experiential learning. Open Word 2019 and write your daily routine. Add numbers to each line and save the file with the name mydailyroutine.docs. Applying borders. In Microsoft Word, you can apply borders to paragraphs or the whole page to enhance the visual appearance of your document. To apply border to the selected paragraph, follow the given steps. Selecting paragraph. Step 1. Select the desired paragraph. Step 2. Click the down arrow next to the Borders button in the paragraph group. Step 3. Click Borders and Shading option. The Borders and Shading dialog box appears with Borders as the active tab. Borders and Shading dialog box. Step 4. Choose the desired border style from the Settings section. Step 5. Choose the desired line style from Style box. Step 6. Choose the desired color from Color drop-down box. Step 7. Choose the Color drop-down box. Desired border width from Width drop-down box. Step 8. Click OK to apply the border. Border applied. You can also apply artistic borders to the whole page by following the given steps. Choosing an artistic border. Step 1. Click the Page Border tab. Step 2. Choose the desired artistic border from Art drop-down box. Page border applied. Step 3. Click OK. Format Painter tool. The Format Painter tool in Microsoft Word allows you to quickly copy formatting from one part of your document and apply it to another. To use the Format Painter tool, follow the given steps. Selecting the text. Step 1. Select the text whose formatting you want to apply on some other text. Step 2. On the Home tab, click the Format Painter button in the Clipboard group. The mouse pointer changes to the Format Painter icon. After copying formatting. Step 3. Click and drag the mouse over the text to which you want to apply the same formatting. Keyboard hacks. Subject enrichment. Ctrl+B. Make the text bold. Ctrl+R. Right align the text. Ctrl+I. Make the text italic. Ctrl+E. Center align the text. Ctrl+U. Make the text underline. Ctrl+J. Justify the text alignment. Ctrl+L. Left align the text. Shift+F3. Change the text case. Introduce the concept of different font styles and sizes. Let students experiment with changing the font size, and font color to see how it affects the appearance of the text. Demonstrate the steps to apply border to the paragraphs and whole page. Tell the use of Format Painter tool to easily copy formatting styles from one text to another. Quick recap. When you change the appearance of document, it is known as formatting. You can change the font size, font style, and font color with the help of various tools in Word. Text alignment is the placement of the text with respect to the left and right margins. In Word, there are 4 options to align the text: left, right, center, and justify. You can use bullets and numbering to create organized and visually appealing lists in your Word document. You can apply borders to paragraphs or the whole page to enhance the visual appearance of your Word document. The Knowledge Vault. Hidden Font Magic. Ctrl plus Shift plus increases font size. Ctrl plus Shift plus greater than decreases it instantly. Format Painter Superpower. Double-click the Format Painter icon to copy formatting to multiple sections. Click once to stop. Drop caps for fancy starts. Turn any paragraph's first letter into a drop cap. Insert greater than drop cap for magazine-style formatting.